Hi, this is Tech Stains with Samuel. Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted to learn a skill online and earn a certificate without paying a dime? Alright, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing website where you can access over 300,000 online courses and earn free certificate after completing eligible courses. If you're a student, a job seeker, freelancer, or someone looking to improve their skill, then this video is for you. Let's get started. The website is called MindLuster. MindLuster is a free online courses platform that offers thousands of courses in different fields, including programming, web design, digital marketing, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, artificial intelligence, web development, business, languages, photography, health, and many more. According to the platform, it hosts more than 300,000 online courses, covering a wide range of subjects all in one place. Using MindLuster is very simple. All you just have to do is go to www.mindluster.com, register and sign in. So once you sign in, use the search bar to find any course you are interested in. Click on the course, enroll, and start learning at your own pace. Most courses are video based, so you can watch them whenever it's convenient for you. As you progress, complete all the required lessons. Some courses may also require you to meet specific completion requirements before your certificate becomes available. When you have successfully completed a course, you can generate and download your certificate directly from your account for eligible courses. The platform also provides additional tools like resume builder and book summary. One thing to keep in mind is that while these certificates are useful for showcasing your learning and adding to your CV or LinkedIn profile, they are generally not university accredited certificates. So think of them as proof that you have completed a course and developed new skill rather than a formal academic qualifications. So if you are serious about learning new skills without spending money, MindLuster is best worth checking out. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Stains with Samuel, and don't forget to share with a friend and turn on the notification bell so you never miss free learning resources, technology tips, and online opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.